Hospitable tutorial. Hello, welcome to my step-by-step guide on how to use Hospitable, a powerful property management software for Airbnb hosts, vacation rental managers, and short-term rental owners. If you're new to Hospitable, this video will walk you through everything you need to get started, from setting up your account to managing your properties and bookings. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do once on hospitable.com, you're going to need to create an account. So you're going to tap on Start Free. And by the way, you don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. All you need is your Google account. Once you have logged in, you will be redirected to a page like this. And the first option that you will be presented with is to connect the other booking platforms. So for example, I'll tap on Let's Go. Then you can enter in the number of properties that you have, and you're going to tap on Continue. After doing that, if you have properties listed on Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, or TripAdvisor or direct booking website, you can select whichever one of these options. Then you'll be able to connect that platform with Hospitable. At the moment, I'm going to select I'm not listed yet, and I'm going to tap on Continue. After doing that, you'll create a password. After creating your password, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see you're trailing the professional plan, and you can select whichever one of these options you want, or I'll just tap on Continue right here. After doing that, let's start saving you valuable time, and you can see the different options. You can see new requests to book, and by the way, Hospitable hosts automate 90% of their guest messaging. Start with the basic by activating these common touch points, and you can select whichever one of these options best suits you. Then we'll tap on Save Me 8 hours, and I'll just tap on Let's Go. After doing that, you can connect with Airbnb if you want. I'll tap on I'll do it later. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once you're signed in, this is how your dashboard will look. And the first thing you will want to do is add your property. So to do this, you can go over to the top left hand corner and select properties. From there, you will be able to connect with Airbnb by tapping on Connect with Airbnb. And then you can quickly follow the steps and you'll be able to connect your Airbnb account. You can also connect Vrbo, and you can also connect your Booking.com if you have accounts on those platforms. After adding your properties, the other thing that you will be able to do is set your pricing and availability, as Hospitable lets you automate pricing and availability across all your platforms. So Hospitable will basically be the central platform that you'll be able to use to monitor all of these other accounts that you have. With this, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can monitor everything by going into operations. You'll be able to see all of this, and you can also use Hospitable to set up house rules and custom messages. So with this, you'll be able to make sure your guests know your house rules and expectations. And in the house rules section, you can specify things like check-in, check-out times, no smoking or pets, or you can set up the maximum number of guests. So you can set up all of these options by going into house rules, as I said right here, or you can set up guest experiences right there. You'll also be able to automate guest communications, and this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Hospitable, as you'll be able to automate guest communication. All you'll need to do is simply go right here and you'll tap on messaging rules, and you'll be able to set it up. And you can use this platform to also track reservations and calendar by tapping on calendar right there from the left hand menu option. And that's basically it when it comes onto Hospitable.